Hello lovely people, this is Romdy, and today with an idea of a framework for a challenge focused on public transport and its routes. So far I have only used the required time as a point system with shorter is better. A dedicated point system might also be possible, but I haven't thought about that yet. For the challenge you need a list of all stops/platforms of the respective public transport network, as well as a list of all unique station areas. So for example of Pogreltstraße in one list, 2 entries, one for 22A direction Kagran and one 22A direction Aspernstraße, and in the other list only one entry, simply Pogreltstraße, as a stop area. A stop position and 2 station areas are then selected from these lists. First you start with an initial position. This is a specific public transport stop from the first list. Here, the stop of the 34A Jedersier Friedhof in the direction of Floridsdorf. Then you get a starting stop area from the second list, here Donauturm. At this stop area, any stop position or even passing through with a line that stops here according to the schedule is possible as the starting position of this challenge part. Then there is the ending area from the second list. Also, with this one you can arrive at any possible single platform or stop. Here at Pogreltstraße that would be with the 22A from both directions. From the initial station to the starting area, any mode of transport may be used, walking, cycling, using public transport, etc., but ideally rental cars or taxis should be avoided. From the starting station, only public transport may be used, with the exception of transfers between stations that are close together, such as Angelibad and Friedstraße, Wünschüttel and Fultonstraße, or Wienerfeld and Frödenplatz, where you can walk between them. The time measurement starts at a fixed time at the initial station and ends as soon as you step onto a platform or the sidewalk at the bus stop in the final station area. For larger areas, a maximum time duration of the challenge, about 12 or 24 hours, should be agreed on. Only the following tools may be used to find information during the challenge: OpenStreetMap with the public transport renderer, Van der Forest or ÖPNV-Karte.de, OpenStreetMap foot, cycle and car routing, OSRM or Graphhopper from the OSM.org main page, not from the provider pages. On-site information such as paper timetables at the stops, overview maps and other notices, as well as information from service centers like from ÖBB or Wiener Linien. It is not allowed to search for the position of the ending station by name or coordinates using the search function. This station must be found either by manually searching on the map or by the aforementioned allowed ways. Yeah, so much for this idea I had here with this challenge. Maybe I'll try one myself. But yeah, that was just a short video about the idea. Maybe someone wants to try it, and so that is it. The macro Excel that I created for Vienna as of July 2022 is linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and you'll hear me again soon.